this can be your next flagship device. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all doing good. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is unveiled on 9th of Feb and you can pre-order the device now, and it will be available in the market on 25th of Feb 2022. But why Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will be your best flagship to go for? There are a couple of things we need to discuss in this video. That will be battery, gaming, most important cameras, and its display, and how this device can easily beat iPhone 13 Pro Max. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a 2x dynamic AMOLED 120Hz display, peak brightness at 1750 nits, one of the most brightest display you can get on any phone. So you can easily use it in sunlight, and perfect device for gaming and content consumption. The best part of the Galaxy S22 Ultra display is that it can go from 1Hz to 120Hz, depends on your usage, which means it can save a lot of battery for you if you're not using some heavy task on this device. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, will this be your next flagship device? Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra powers Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, and some people says it can get heated up while gaming or heavy tasks, but to our surprise, while doing gaming test on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra alongside with the iPhone 13 Pro Max, Galaxy S22 Ultra gets less heat up than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which means Samsung new cooling technology works for this processor. Meanwhile, the iPhone 13 Pro Max works really well in benchmarks, but games give more FPS on the S22 Ultra. With its whopping 5000 mAh battery, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra can last longer than you can imagine, with giving you 8 hours of screen on time, which can last easily a day for you. A sad news for those who are looking for the Galaxy S22 base model that powers 3700 mAh battery, because it can only last about 5 hours of screen on time, which is really bad. Nonetheless, with Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 45W fast charger, you can juice up this device from 0 to 45% in just 20 minutes, where iPhone 13 Pro Max will give you 29% in 20 minutes. A clear win for the Galaxy S22 Ultra in cameras, with having a 108 megapixel main lens will give you really good pictures at night. As Samsung claims best night photos on any phone, Samsung improves the AI in the S22 Ultra, which will improve the image quality. As while testing 100x zoom, it can be usable, although it's better to get the S22 Ultra, not the S22 or the S22 Plus, having an advantage over battery, display, cameras, and all. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, will this be your next flagship device? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out!